बढ़ते हैं आगे और बात इंडिगो संकट की। सरकार देश में और ज्यादा एयरलाइंस को बढ़ावा देने पर फोकस करेगी। इंडिगो में जारी संकट पर राज्यसभा में नागरिक उड्डयन मंत्री राममोहन नायडू ने ये बातें कही। उन्होंने कहा कि यात्रियों की सुविधा और उनकी सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए रेगुलेटर ने कदम उठाए हैं। एविएशन मंत्री ने पिछले 7 दिनों में यात्रियों को हुई परेशानी के लिए व्यक्तिगत रूप से माफी मांगी।
Indigo was supposed to manage the crew, was supposed to manage the roster through its day-to-day operations. We are there to check if the FDTL is properly implemented or not, and there has been no compromise on that side. And for one thorough full month, we have been observing. On 1st of December, we had a meeting with Indigo on FDTL itself. When they required some clarifications, we have given the clarifications also with that idea, and they have not flagged this issue. So everything was running normal till then. Suddenly we have observed this on 3rd. Immediately when this was observed, the ministry came into the picture. We have taken over the situation at the airports. We have consulted all the stakeholders, and then you have seen how things have unfolded for those 2 days. Definitely there was a lot of difficulty that has faced by the passengers, and as a closing statement also, let me tell you that we are not taking this situation easily. We are doing an inquiry, and we will take very, very strict action, not only for this situation, but also as an example. We will set an example for all the airlines. If there is any miscompliance, any non-compliance or non-adherence for any single person, any entity or any organization or any operator functioning in this civil aviation, we will take very, very strict action so that we set an example in the industry.
चलिए, उम्मीद करते हैं कि स्थितियां बेहतर हों और यात्रियों को राहत मिले। बहरहाल कॉर्पोरेट